Hi angels, for today's videos we're playing NMP, but there's a noise, but it's a little bit noise. Wow, there are same bacon. Make sure like, comment, and share this video for more videos. Thanks for no, not that. Oh, we're voting a place now. I hope I'm not going insane. What is this? Oh my god! I wish no one was bait. Oh! But by the way, I can do firefly jar double jump. Go! I forgot it, bro. I forgot how to do it. What the? The sheriff died. No, no, no. The murderer is camping. I hope I'm not dying. Tomorrow I'm gonna say to my cousin that vlogging is the murder. Or 1v1. Pick one, guys. Guys, subscribe. Please, to get the silver button. Help me to get the silver button. Comment what edit next. Country edit, guys. Country edit. Country edit, guys. Country edit. Country edit. What the shit? No. What next? Okay. What the heck? Why did you take to stay in here? Wow. Oh. If you are in here in my video, comment. Yes! I survived. Thank you for it. No one going on that place. I hope I get innocent. Wait, that's wrong. I hope I get murder or sheriff. But no lag. I want innocent lagging. Di ano daw? Ay! Ay, wow. Matagiging Pilipino na tayo dito, no? Bawal yun. English naman. Marami na tayong video na nagtatagalog. Or onti pa lang. Basta nag-English na lang tayo. Ay! May nagalit guys. Ay! they can do bomb jump. Bomb jump daw. Oh! You're a traitor. You're a traitor. Bro, you're a traitor. I wish you die. Joke. Bro, I'm only getting innocent. Tomorrow I will vlog. I'm gonna vlogging. What is this? What is this avatar? I'm gonna vlogging MM2. Not MMV. Tomorrow. This shirt is white, so my knife is white, and this skirt is blue, so my gun is blue. Oh, he picked the ice bundle set. Oh! Responding without telling me. Why are you crying? Oh, he betrayed us. Hala. No, Filipino pala muna. English muna. Oh! Lagi tayo late na jump. Ay! May fake gun. Ang galing mo panggap. Ay! I have a cough today. Comment what I'm gonna edit next. Make sure likes, comment, and subscribe. And share this video. And click the notification bell to updated.
Hi guys! What's up? Nagbabalik ang Pogi.
Ang pogi daw pinsan ko. Comment kayo
Mag-ipibilyan pag nag-subscribe kayo. Pag umabot to ng 100, 200 pala kasi marto tayo mag 200 subscribers. 500 ang Pepe's reveal.
Ay, wag na guys, wag na kayo wag nyo na yung 10 base reveal niya. Wag na lang, mag-subscribe na lang kayo hanggang 100 na lang.
Mamimigay tayong account. Pag nag-500 subscribers siya, no?
Guys, mag-speak na lang kayo tayo ng English at Tagalog.
Oh guys, what the fuck?
Uy! Bawal yun!
English yun ah.
Alam ko English na mura, bakit? Mag-half speak English tayo, tapos mag-half speak Tagalog tayo. Ito kasi pabansin, dumating pa. Ay! Ay, shut the fucking bitch. Ay, may gun!
Bitch,
the
guys,
hell
in a
is
bitch,
this?
guys. In a bitch, guys. In a bitch. Ay.
Perfect! Ay, yung bacon!
Loko, kantado.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Meron na dito. Ay!
Tang.
No!
Invisible yung bubong daya.
Daya ay busy. Dapat
Sino yan guys? Baba natin yan. Report natin yan.
Dapat yung ghost, binaban na yan yung ghost. Dapat tinanggal na yung ghost. X-ray na lang para makakita. Kasi lugi-lugi naman pag naka-ghost kasi di namin nalaman kung nasaan. 10 minutes ang haba ng video natin ha. 10 minutes lang. So yung gun guys, perfect na sana.
Part 2 yung 10 minutes. Part 2 yung hanggang 20 minutes yung natin.
Ay, hindi pa nga verify yung account ko eh. Ayan na guys. So, malapit na tayo mag-bye. Sana makapag-video na tayo. Habang malaman. Putik! So, dito nagkatapos ang video. Bye-bye!